Today is Monday, March 10th, 2025, and it is my day 25. Oh my God, is it day 25? It could be day 25 or 26, I can't remember. Did you catch yesterday's video? Because yesterday's video, which was Sunday, March 9th, I was super busy. However, the first part of my day, I was busy stuffing my face, having a great time at that high tea hula at Hula Grill in Waikiki. Then you saw that I worked my butt off doing something that I absolutely love, which is capturing the essence of Aloha on my camera. So today, it is currently 5:18 p.m. and I really need to get my steps on. I haven't even made 5,000 steps as of right now. So the plan is this afternoon, this evening, is to clear out area here, possibly here or somewhere else, because according to the Hawaiian Moon app, now remember I said in a couple of videos before that we love using the app to, or calendar, Hawaiian Moon Calendar, for doing our gardening, yard work. We are pretty much dictated by the moon on when's the best time to do stuff in the land. So my wife shared with me that today is actually a good day for planting. Planting, I think flowers, anything other than trees. So that's what I'm gonna do today, is actually praying before, because it looks like it might rain, praying to clear enough land to plant Mamaki plants, which I'll explain to you later in another video. Mamaki plants that have been crying to get into the ground since I had purchased them like a few months ago. So that's what this evening's activity is, along with other things to get my steps and movement on. So I'm really, really excited, and I'm looking forward to knowing what you're up to today. Do you like to, I've never even asked you, do you like to garden? Do you like to do yard work? How are you moving your body that's different from going to the gym? Maybe that's a really awesome question. What are you doing that's in movement to the time in your life right now that's no longer, and you know, kudos to all of you who are doing all the CrossFits and all those types of workouts, which I do miss, but I know that my body no longer can actually able to handle it, which is why I'm choosing to do a different type of movement in my body, for my body at this time in my midlife. So yeah, I'm curious to know what it is that you're doing. Okay, I'm looking at the clouds and they're moving in really quickly, so I better get moving. All right, stay tuned. I'm looking forward to sharing with you what it is I end up doing, and of course the movement that's going on this afternoon, this evening, and sharing what my Fitbit readout is later tonight. A hui hou for now. Go out there, be your radiant selves.